What's good, Lolo? I'm BamBam TV. We're back here with another video for you guys today. Today's gonna be a little small cooking vlog for you guys today. So these are the things I will be using today. I have the ground beef. Then I have the French style green beans. BamBam gonna make those. I'm gonna make homemade mashed potatoes. I already got a few meatballs rolled up right here because I already started a little bit. And as for the sauce, it's gonna be brown sugar, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce, and then honey. And I'm gonna cook them in a crock pot. But first I'm gonna put them in the oven, and then when they're done in the oven, I'm gonna put them in a crock pot. So you guys can just watch what I'm doing. So right now I'm about to roll the meatballs up and then put them on a skillet so I can put them in the oven so they can bake.
Nice little small meatballs. That'll be perfectly fine. You don't want them too big. I'm probably gonna need another pan.
Meatballs. Plenty of meatballs. I'm gonna stick them in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna start. Okay, so I just took the meatballs out the oven. Cooked. Look nice, but a little greasy. I gotta drain the meatballs. We got the water going for the green beans. He washing off the green beans right now. And then I just put the potatoes in the pot so they can start boiling down so they can get soft. Okay, so now I'm about to drain the meatballs to get all the grease off. And then I'm gonna start putting the meatballs and the sauce and stuff in the crock pot. Okay. It's not going as planned. Here's planned. Got a spoon. Meatballs are trained. I get a juice to my dog. He's being fat and thirsty. Sitting right here. Okay. So first I'm going to leave this over here, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. Leave the meatballs.
Put some butter inside the pan first. I added some Asian sweet chili sauce over there. Spice. Almost a half, another half. Hand out the bottom so it don't stick. Some more barbecue sauce, hickory and burnt chili. Going to heat it right now, huh? Ew, okay. Let me see how much. It's looking like. Got the brown sugar. I have brown sugar yet. Yeah, it's not brown sugar. I'm gonna go all bottom in. Yeah, I must have went those bad. Which one? Okay. And there's brown sugar. Brown sugar. Okay, that's amazing. That's good, huh? No, the meat last time was horrible. Oh, that's enough. Mix that around. Let this marinate for the 30 minutes. 20 minutes.
Smells so good. Got the potatoes over there boiling. Okay. That's enough of that. Put this, what's it called? The lid on. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm starting to smash the mashed potatoes, and then I'm gonna update y'all on the meatballs. Okay, so now that the potatoes are done, I'm now going to smash the potato smasher. homemade mashed potatoes. And I'm just gonna smash the potatoes. I kept the skin on them, so. Go add some butter. Hell like that, so it could be creamy. No chunks. Some more butter. Whole stick, why not? Yeah, so then we got no black pepper.
Pepper in there. Bottle of
Black pepper? No. I guess I just add some seasoning salt or something.
See the salt. Light on the salt. And some chives. You put some more than that. I said light on the salt.
Light.
Yeah, the salt, nigga.
That should be fine.
Sea salt.
Oh, shoot. Mind you, this is my first time making homemade mashed potatoes.
I mean, what?
Mashed potatoes.